Hello, I'm Chef Deborah of The Blind Kitchen, and I'm proud to announce a new workshop that The Blind Kitchen is doing in conjunction with the Fort Vancouver Lions Club and the Clark County Food Bank of Washington State. This program is geared towards vision impaired youth and their families to allow the families to help adapt their kitchens and get the kitchen equipment that will allow their youth to cook confidently and independently. It's being put on in collaboration with the Fort Vancouver Lions Club and the Clark County Food Bank of the state of Washington. It's going to be held in 2 sessions, taking place on August 4th and the 18th, and it's completely free to the youth and their families to attend. It'll be hands-on, and each family will go home with their own set of tools so that when they get back into their homes, they can practice those new skills that they've learned independently in their own kitchens. Now, the registration is limited to 8 families, so be sure to sign up soon. And to get a link to the registration, write to info@theblindkitchen.com and we'll send you that link out right away. Happy cooking.